Small Kitchen Cabinet Colors 2025. Are you planning to renovate your kitchen in 2025 and wondering what's the perfect kitchen cabinet color to choose from? In this video, we will show you the latest kitchen design trends and explore the top kitchen cabinet colors that will dominate 2025. Designing a small kitchen doesn't mean compromising on style or creativity. In 2025, the spotlight is on smart, bold, and inspiring cabinet color choices that not only maximize visual space, but also reflect your personality. Here are the most attractive and trending small kitchen cabinet color ideas of 2025, each with a strategic design edge. 1. Soft Sage. Green small kitchen cabinet creates calm and openness. Sage green continues its reign in interior design, and in 2025, it's the go-to hue for small kitchens. This muted, earthy tone evokes calm and clarity. Unlike deeper forest greens that can absorb light, soft sage reflects it gently, creating a sense of openness. It pairs beautifully with light wooden countertops, white marble, or brushed brass hardware, striking a balance between rustic and refined. Sage green is especially effective in smaller kitchens because it blends the natural and the modern, lending the illusion of more breathing room. 2. Warm Taupe. Small kitchen cabinet adds sophistication and depth. Neutral doesn't mean boring, especially not in 2025. Warm taupe is emerging as a sophisticated alternative to traditional whites and grays. It has a richer undertone, often pulling in hints of blush or mushroom, which adds warmth without overwhelming a compact kitchen. Taupe cabinets lend a timeless look that complements both modern and vintage decor. The subtle depth of this tone enhances natural light while remaining understated, creating a cozy yet chic atmosphere. 3. Dusty blue small kitchen cabinet infuses personality without overpowering. Blue continues to be a staple in kitchen design, but the 2025 update brings a twist: dusty, desaturated tones. Dusty blue strikes the perfect balance between colorful and calm. It's soft enough to act as a neutral, but adds far more character than standard whites or grays. This shade is ideal for small kitchens because it energizes the space without dominating it. Pair it with white subway tiles or matte black hardware for a contemporary coastal vibe that feels grounded and fresh. 4. Matte black small kitchen cabinet delivers bold elegance. Matte black cabinets are making a bold comeback in small kitchens, but with new rules. The trick in 2025 is to embrace contrast and texture. Rather than covering the entire kitchen in black, designers recommend using it strategically, perhaps for the lower cabinets only, with lighter uppers or open shelving above. Matte black adds an undeniable sense of drama and modern luxury, but in a finish that absorbs light softly instead of creating harsh contrast. When paired with metallic accents like gold or copper, black cabinets feel upscale and intentional, even in the smallest galley kitchen. 5. Creamy white small kitchen cabinet keeps things airy and inviting. White kitchens are classic, but in 2025, the shade of white matters more than ever. Creamy whites with warm undertones are replacing stark, sterile versions. These softer tones feel more inviting and less clinical, especially in confined spaces. Creamy white cabinets help reflect light and make the space appear larger while giving a subtle nod to vintage or farmhouse design influences. When paired with natural materials like butcher block countertops or handmade tiles, creamy white feels comforting and timeless. 6. Terracotta tones. Small kitchen cabinet. Bring earthy warmth. Drawing inspiration from desert landscapes and Mediterranean aesthetics, Terracotta tones are gaining popularity in small, compact kitchens. These burnt orange, rust, or clay-like colors add a burst of energy while remaining grounded and natural. Terracotta cabinets can act as the focal point of the kitchen, especially when contrasted with neutral walls and minimalist decor. In small kitchens, this vibrant yet earthy tone gives warmth and personality, transforming a once simple space into a cozy culinary retreat. 7. Pale yellow small kitchen cabinet revives retro charm with a modern touch. Sunny kitchens are back in fashion, but with a twist. Pale yellow cabinets in 2025 are more refined and creamy than the brash yellows of the past. This soft hue brings retro charm while feeling entirely fresh and modern. It adds cheerfulness without overwhelming the room, and when paired with natural wood, white quartz, or playful tiles, it evokes a sense of optimism and creativity. In small spaces, pale yellow reflects light beautifully and gives a sense of warmth and positivity. 8. Ocean teal, small kitchen cabinet, offers depth and drama. Teal has been steadily climbing the trend ladder, and in Small Kitchen Cabinets 2025, ocean-inspired versions are the star of the show. Ocean teal combines the tranquility of blue with the richness of green, making it ideal for statement cabinets in a small kitchen. It offers enough saturation to stand out while still feeling sophisticated and calming. Used in lower cabinets or an island, ocean teal adds depth and visual interest. This shade plays particularly well with brass hardware and white or light gray countertops. 9. Blush Rose Small Kitchen Cabinet adds a touch of whimsy and modern romance. For those who want a bit of romance and playfulness in their small kitchens, Blush Rose is a fresh, unexpected option. Unlike bolder pinks, this soft shade is subtle enough to function as a neutral, especially when paired with white, gray, or beige elements. In small kitchens, Blush Rose can soften the space and create an atmosphere of charm and warmth. It's a favorite among those seeking to personalize their kitchen with gentle, contemporary flair. 10. Two-tone combinations, small kitchen cabinet, enhance depth and visual flow. In 2025, one of the most effective trends for small kitchens isn't a single color. It's the combination of two. Two-tone cabinets, like navy lowers and white uppers, or taupe mixed with oak wood, help visually break up the space. This technique prevents the kitchen from feeling too heavy or one-dimensional. The contrast creates depth, draws the eye upward or downward, depending on where the darker tone is used, and adds dynamic interest without the need for excessive decor. Ultimately, the small kitchen of 2025 is not just about function, it's a design canvas. Choosing the right cabinet color isn't simply a matter of trend chasing, it's a chance to set the tone for your entire living space. With thoughtful color choices, even the tiniest kitchen can feel expansive, stylish, and entirely yours.